Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time. Before anything else, it's Elda Arbes. If you miss me or whatever is that, please subscribe and continue watching my video. Now it's 2023. This is my first video again in 2023 January. I video and I will share to you about the snowstorm. Okay, now I'm driving. I want to show you how the snowstorm affect here in my place, but I show you after when you cannot see me after because I show you the road. Okay guys, you stay tuned to me. Okay, that's the trees. We could record. Look at the, like, no trees, no leaves. Look at that in the jungle, white forest.